Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to share my thoughts on a fantastic resource for students and parents alike, the AI Study Tutor. AI Study Tutor is an innovative online platform that offers AI tutoring and learning experiences. It is powered by cutting-edge AI technology. Whether you're a student struggling with homework or a parent looking to enhance your child's learning, AI Study Tutor has something for everyone. Let's take a look at a demo of the AI tutors. Let's ask the history tutor a question. What significant event occurred during Abraham Lincoln's presidency that ultimately led to the outbreak of the American Civil War?
Hello. I am your A. Hello. How can I help you today? The significant event that occurred during Abraham Lincoln's presidency that ultimately led to the outbreak of the American Civil War was the secession of Southern states from the Union. Following Lincoln's election in November 1860, 7 Southern states, starting with South Carolina, seceded from the Union in response to their fears that Lincoln and the Republican Party would restrict the expansion of slavery. These states formed the Confederate States of America, which directly challenged the authority of the federal government, leading to the outbreak of the Civil War.
One of the things I love about AI Study Tutor is its comprehensive range of subjects. From science to languages and history, there's a tutor available to help with virtually any topic. But the AI Study Tutor offers more than just tutoring. With features like the AI Storyteller, which brings stories to life in a whole new way, and the Student Advisor for personalized guidance, it truly goes above and beyond to support learners of all ages. Remember, learning can sometimes be challenging and lonely. Sometimes kids are afraid to ask lots of questions for fear of being ridiculed. With the AI tutor, you or your child can ask as many questions as you like, and the tutor will assist with an explanation. This can also be a great tool for people who are primarily auditory learners and for those who have challenges with the traditional learning systems. Overall, I highly recommend the AI Study Tutor to anyone looking to supplement their education or homeschooling curriculum. It's user-friendly, effective, and backed by AI technology. Give it a try and see the difference it can make in your learning journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews like this one. Please find the link to the AI Study Tutor in the description, and I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments section.